Today we're going to talk about the tape measure. Pretty self-explanatory really, you're going to use it for measuring things. There are many different types of tape measure available. The main difference between them will be how long they are. Wayne and I recommend that you buy a 5 metre or 16 foot tape measure. That will serve you well, and you can expect to pay between £5 and £10 for that. This tape measure has a lever lock function, which simply means when I push this button or lever to pull the measure out, as I let go, it locks its position. This one does exactly the same thing, but I press a button on the front to lock it, and then simply pull the button back or push the button in to do the fun bit. Here are some secret tape measure tips. There's a number on the back here, and this number is the actual width of the tape measure body. Now you're going to need this when you measure inside a window, for example, for blinds or a curtain, because it means that instead of folding the tape measure and trying to get the measurement that way, you can pop it down, take the measurement from here to here simply, and then add on that number. The next tip is what I call the emergency pencil. It's this little groove on the bottom here, which you can use to make a mark on a wall or a piece of wood that you're measuring. It's good to know that from 0 to 1 inch and 0 to 1 centimetre isn't the full amount on a tape measure unless this little wobbly bit is pulled tight. So if you put it over the edge of something, to get an accurate measurement, make sure it's taut. Another really helpful thing is this slot on the end here that you can use to hook onto a screw or a nail. So if you were measuring between 2 points to hang a picture or a mirror or something, you can hook that on and take your measurement easily. And finally, the clip on the back is for hanging onto your belt or your jeans to look like a pro. And finally, the clip on the back is for hanging onto your belt or your jeans to look like a pro.
Bum chicka wow wow.